Wisdom. The wealth heaven recognizes. The principal thing. Wisdom of Solomon. 8:5. Proverbs 4:7. Sirach 1:26. Matthew 6:19-21. Shalom, family. Today I'm stepping into a continuation of the message I just released. The true riches. And as soon as I finished that teaching, the Spirit pulled my mind straight into another layer, another dimension of wealth, another economy, another measurement. Because the Most High doesn't just talk about riches. He talks about wisdom. And wisdom is not just a blessing. Wisdom is currency. Let's walk. If riches be a possession to be desired in this life, what is richer than wisdom? Wisdom of Solomon 8:5. Right here, the scripture confronts the entire world system. If you're going to desire riches, if you're going to chase wealth, if you're going to pursue something valuable, then the question becomes, what is richer than wisdom? Not gold, not silver, not land, not assets, not investments, not status, not reputation. The text says, wisdom is richer than all of it. This is the Most High redefining wealth. This is heaven's economy speaking. This is the kingdom telling you what actually matters. Proverbs 4:7. Wisdom is the principal thing. The world says money is the principal thing. The world says capital is the principal thing. The world says assets are the principal thing. But the Most High says wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore, get wisdom. And with all you're getting, get understanding. Meaning, Wisdom is the real currency. Wisdom is the real capital. Wisdom is the real inheritance. Wisdom is the real wealth. You can lose money and get it back. You can lose possessions and recover them. But if you lose wisdom, you lose everything, because wisdom is the principal thing. Ecclesiasticus 1, verse 26. If thou desire wisdom, keep the commandments. Now the Most High tells you how to get the true riches. Not by hustling, not by grinding, not by manipulating, not by compromising, not by breaking rules to get ahead. He says, if you desire wisdom, keep the commandments. This is the opposite of the world's economy. In the world, you gain advantage by breaking rules. You gain power by ignoring righteousness. You gain wealth by bending laws. But in the kingdom, you gain wisdom by obedience. You gain riches by righteousness. You gain understanding by submission. The commandments are not restrictions. They are pathways to wealth. Matthew 6, verses 19 through 21. Where your treasure is, there will your heart be also. Now Yahusha gives the diagnostic test. He says, don't lay up treasures on earth, because earth is temporary. Earth is fragile. Earth is corruptible. Lay up treasures in heaven, because heaven is eternal. Heaven is secure. Heaven is incorruptible. Then he says, where your treasure is, there will your heart be also. Meaning, your heart follows your value system. Your heart follows your priorities. Your heart follows your treasure. If your treasure is money, your heart is in the world. If your treasure is wisdom, your heart is in heaven. If your treasure is possessions, your heart is on earth. If your treasure is obedience, your heart is with the Father. If your treasure is status, your heart is with men. If your treasure is righteousness, your heart is with the Most High. The revelation. The Most High is showing us. The world measures wealth by money. Heaven measures wealth by wisdom. And wisdom is only given to those who fear the Most High, keep his commandments, walk in righteousness, seek understanding, value truth over treasure. This is why Revelation 2:9 says, I know your poverty, but you are rich. Because heaven does not measure wealth the way the world does. You can look poor on earth and be wealthy in heaven. You can look rich on earth and be bankrupt in heaven. Because the true riches are wisdom, understanding, obedience, righteousness, fear of the Most High, a heart aligned with heaven. This is the wealth the world cannot measure. So in closing, family, the Most High is shifting his people out of the world's economy and into his economy, out of the pursuit of money and into the pursuit of wisdom, out of earthly treasure and into heavenly treasure. Because wisdom is the principal thing. Wisdom is the true riches. Wisdom is the inheritance of the righteous. And if you desire wisdom, keep the commandments. Shalom.